Welcome to Machinery Video. This is an excellent opportunity on a Marvel 81A-PCII vertical bandsaw. This machine has a fixture and table for the tire mold industry to cut segmental tire molds. The positioning control for the Marvel 81A saw is universal and can be programmed for many different cutting cycles to accommodate your work. Along with all the proper documentation, we do have the ladder diagram for the PC control for specifically cutting segmental tire molds. The table on this saw is in excellent condition, as you guys can well see. And the rollers, when hydraulically actuated, lift, and then the tire mold rotates to the proper positioning. And the rollers themselves are just really nice condition, and the whole setup is just excellent. The electrical cabinet of the Marvel 81A is impeccable, and upon inspection you will find, as we did, that the electrical cabinet has been well taken care of, maintained, and is free of any dirt or grease or impurities. As you can really see on this 81A, everything is just in impeccable condition. The hydraulic system on this unit is 10 horsepower, and the hydraulic pump is Rexroth. Please visit us at www.wigglesworth.com. See all of our new additions, our featured machines. You can follow us on Twitter or add us on Facebook. Shoot us an email and request a quote. Our staff will try to service you promptly and accurately. Thanks again from T.R. Wigglesworth Machinery.